Alright guys, here is the power bank mAh 3i 20,000 mAh. So made in India. So there is the scratch code. Nice USB-C to USB-A. Here's the logo. So I was actually waiting for the 3i to be released because of the USB-C situation. I don't want to use micro USB, and all my devices are USB-C. So using this, you can input as well as output charge. So this button is the charge button, and you can see it has 2 dots, meaning half the charge is available right now. So that was it guys, a quick unboxing of mAh 3i 20,000 mAh power bank with 18 watts of fast charging. If you're having more than 2 devices, or if you have an iPad, I would suggest you to go for the 20,000 variant. And ideally, Anker is supposed to be the best power bank in the world, but as usual, they are a foreign company and they don't care about the Indian market, and they still are selling the old version with micro USB. So I would suggest you to boycott the micro USB containing products. I was willing to buy the USB-C equipped models, but unfortunately it's not available in India right now. So this thing has triple port output. You can even use the USB-C and the 2 USB-A ports as well, and dual ports input. You can use a micro USB, which I won't be using. This product, as I mentioned, is made in India. Alright, after waiting for a long time, I've decided to go for the mAh 20,000 mAh 3i power bank with 18 watts of fast charging. Thank you.